This 3-bed, 2-bath single-family home in North Carolina is a diamond in the rough, waiting for your personal touch. With a newer roof and HVAC system already in place, you will have a solid foundation to build upon. This spacious layout offers endless possibilities for renovation and customization, allowing you to create your dream home or a profitable rental property. Whether you are looking to flip, rent, or live in the property yourself, this home presents an excellent opportunity to add value and make it your own. Please check out video description for more details. Thank you for watching.